that we need Americans to know what is happening. And I want to say, you are giving us inspiration. You are on the front lines of what's happening, and you're standing up in the way that they did in LA and in Chicago and in other communities across this nation. And it is critically important when one of the senators from Minnesota says that you are the center of America's heartbreak right now. You are also the center of America's courage. And this is something that I need Americans to understand. We have to be, each and every one of us, more courageous in this moment. There are people right now in Minnesota, and all of you who have testified today, who are putting your lives in danger and at risk by speaking out. And all of the people who are witnessing and showing up and documenting. They are doing this not just for Minnesotans, they're doing it for all of us. They are standing up for all of our rights. So I'm going to ask today that Americans who are watching this understand that you need to dig deeper, all of us. It's on all of us to protect this democracy and this Constitution. I also want to say, as a gay woman, I have not cried yet over Renee Good, because I know if I do, I'm not going to stop. And I want to say to gay people across this country and trans people across this country, your lives are not worth less. And to immigrants, your lives are not worth less. And people of color, your lives are not worth less, no matter what your government is telling you. And I know my colleagues, many of you know, I call myself a scrappy little dyke for a reason. I'm not going to be intimidated. I'm not. And you're not going to keep any of us quiet. And we represent districts across this country. And I heard from Vermonters this morning texting me, calling me, saying, thank you. Thank you. Vermont is standing with Minnesota. And I know that's true for so many of us here. So look, I think I want to go back to something that Mr. Mayel went over, because I think there's so much misinformation about what it is that we can do as Americans. Mr. Mayel, are people allowed to tell immigration officers that they don't agree with what they're doing?
Yes, you're allowed to do that.
Is it legal to blow whistles and honk horns to alert people of ICE's presence in your neighborhood?
Yes, it's legal to blow a whistle and it's legal to honk a horn.
Is it legal to peacefully record ICE officers in public?
Absolutely.
And what about following at a safe distance ICE convoys and reporting on where they are? Is that legal?
If you're obeying traffic laws and not breaking and doing any unlawful conduct, it's legal to be on a public road driving your car.
So they are trying to tell us that we are not allowed to exercise our First Amendment rights? Yes. And they have given up the game here. What they've said is people are not being respectful enough towards law enforcement. And by that they mean they don't want us to be allowed to dissent. And I just want to say again, I'm so impressed by Minnesota. You have trained tens of thousands of constitutional witnesses here, and that's what we have to do across this country. Yes. And I yield back.